All right, traders. Hello. I'm not sure what I'm going to title this. Maybe pre-NFP Forex talk. Yeah, that sounds pretty good. Let's do that. Just making sure this is connected still. Apologies for the lack of a watch list video. I was having some VPN issues. I know it's a frequent issue, but I missed an update. I'm normally pretty diligent about that, but I did miss it. So um, I wasn't able to connect for a while. Now I'm just having a look at the Aussie dollar, which sort of looks like it's topping out again at the 68.80 odd sort of level that it's entertained previously. So I'll watch this maybe for a short position. I find myself drawn towards the Aussie dollar a lot for some reason. I think because I'm a little bit more of a I don't mind slow moving pairs. I think I can handle fast moving pairs, but I can't really. Now, also, this account is a trial account from an Indian prop firm as well. So that's what I'm running this demo for. Um, Euro US dollar. It didn't really pull back enough to. Oh, maybe it did. No, it didn't. It didn't. I needed to be down around here. So that was the 38.2 fib. I know I'm not on the laptop. I apologize about that. But I think I was looking for with your sort of had the A, it's topped out, the B's come back down, and it hadn't quite got low enough to um, warrant an entry for the C wave for an ABC upwards. So, but again, NFP in the background. I haven't taken this on the Lupus account, so I actually haven't traded the Lupus account at all this week. Down around 3.9% for the month. And here is some of my positions. So I've dabbled in the pound yen. Fortunately, I mean, it was a pretty tight stop. I was looking for, I guess what I'm looking for is good risk to reward. But the pound is volatile, so that's the game you play. But I'd still pursue that. Let me see the pound yen now. Let's see what it's doing. So it's come back a little bit, but it's just hovering. It's not doing much. I think a lot of people are just sort of on the sidelines. I was talking to a good friend of mine, Brian, with SBK Trading. That's um, a bit of a trading partnership. So if you're looking for Forex investments, please get in touch with me. Um, we have aggressive, we have conservative. Whatever you need, we'll take care of you. We don't have EAs though. So I do know someone who does EAs, but it's a bit of a boutique project. So I'll just leave it at that. And if you find out about it, you find out about it. You've probably picked to be found about it. So Australian bait. Well, it's actually Perth based. So um, I won't be able to talk about that. Unfortunately, I did tell him that I understood his perspective about keeping it a little niche and just private. So that's reality, guys. But looking at the pound yen here now, well, it's sort of making a little bit of a wedge. We'll see. Again, I'm sorry about not being able to draw. All right, so um, this is going to be topped up again back to 50, but let's see what's going on. So Brian's traded this account. So that's what it's looking like. Started at 50. I understand. You're probably looking at this going, what the hell, Scott? But it was a little too aggressive to start with, but we have an arrangement with the prop account that this is with. I think it's Spec Trading. Now you're probably wondering, how, Scott, do you get all? Well, track record and just communication. I think they like us with the rebates though, because you can see there's a lot of trades been made. All right, so as you can see, the pound yen wasn't bad. He's gone long on the pound kiwi. This is a live account as well. But look, spec trading, I would strongly. I do pay about £230 a month for this, and it's just trialing out a few strategies with a bigger account and helping my detachment. And I understand it's a little bit of money, it is, but I do have a little bit of disposable income. I'm working with Team China right now. So that's the beauty of having a day job as well. Like, you want a day job, but you want to utilize the money to help expand your knowledge and test strategies and things like that. Everything's been back tested as well. Um, I don't mind this pan kiwi trade though that he's taken. Let's just have a look at this. Yeah, I don't mind that at all. So we'll see what that wants to do. Again, it's just about keeping it sensible. Not doing too much. What else you want to talk? The Kiwi. Let's see what the Kiwi. It's another account. This is actually looking like it wants to roll over. I'm just going to sip my coffee, guys. Sorry, my head's sort of all over the place a bit. I haven't really been trading. Well, I haven't been trading a couple of the accounts that are positive because I haven't really seen anything fantastic. And it's been busy at work, and there's been a few adjustments made. And I didn't really know what was going to happen to me on my position with China in regards to the Olympic Committee, but it worked out okay. So that was good. Got a little intoxicated last night, to be honest. I'm still probably a little rough. But, okay. So we'll see here. It's sort of wedging up as well. Again, it's going to be pretty docile until NFP comes out because, in my opinion, it's worth nothing, but the rate cut is sort of priced in because that's what market expectations are. So, but you never know. There could be a bit of a curveball, and I don't keep abreast with all the economic data in regards to the strength of the U.S. economy, but it's looking like it is slowing down a little bit. So I think there will be a rate cut as expected, and that it's just going to mean, the U.S. dollar will probably hold its strength and steadily increase. So I'd still look to short the Kiwi again, but the pound pairs, it seems that Brexit stuff, it seems more positive than negative. So I'd be looking along maybe the pound as well. See, we will though. Again, I'll get in the laptop. I'll do some Elliott Wave stuff as well. I don't mind the Elliott Wave. It keeps me very objective. It takes the emotions out of it a bit better than this my sort of momentum style trend trading approach, which hasn't been bad. I mean, my equity highs were around 11% this year for the Lupus proprietary trading account, so which isn't great. But I haven't been trading that long. I've been live trading for nearly 2 years. So, and I got into trading in November 2015. So, I mean, that's 4 years. It's pretty much 4 years. So that actually isn't that long in trading terms. And really, the first year and a half wasn't really me. It was me messing around. It was just doing this, doing that, learning a lot, and there wasn't really a targeted approach. Anyway, I've talked too much, guys. Thank you for watching, and bye for now. Have a great day, and I'll do an end of week update. So it'll probably be Saturday. Will be the next update video.